Hey everyone, so welcome back to SG Car Mart Reviews, and today we're going to be reviewing accessories once again. So from a livability perspective, I think the car mats that you put in your car are very important. So obviously you're going to be spending a lot of time driving your car and you don't want to be doing that in a dirty car. So having the right set of car mats can mean plenty of time saved cleaning. So we've actually found a pretty unique set that is not commonly seen. Today we're going to be testing out the honeycomb mat from Cypress Matting. So this is made from a highly resistant compound material, and obviously it looks quite different from your usual PVC coil. And this comes in plenty of colours, so there's a lot of personalization available. But does it perform as well as it looks? Let's find out. Now, this Tesla Model 3 has been fitted with the honeycomb mats, and from a look and feel perspective, I think it fits quite nicely in this overall techie aesthetic, right? And one thing I especially do like is the fact that it feels nice and solid under the feet. To find out if this is a will buy, won't buy or go try, we're going to be performing 3 tests against your PVC coil mat. So the first one will be the foot trapping test to evaluate how it works on a day-to-day basis. The second one is the slash test to test its durability, and finally we'll be doing the slipping test to evaluate safety during driving. So for the foot trapping test, we are going to be breaking up some biscuits and sprinkling all over the mat. So obviously you shouldn't be eating in the car, but you're gonna have friends who are snacking in the car, or maybe it's just dirt from when you are out in a slightly dirtier area. But yes, we're just gonna sprinkle crumbs everywhere. And yes, it's dirty. It's properly dirty now. And to make it even more realistic, we're going to be stepping on these mats because they are car mats, feet are going to be on them, and the food is going to be even more trapped. So, with your friends snacking in your car, your mats are going to be properly dirty. So now we're going to try to vacuum it up and see how much food is trapped.
A few moments later.
Now, as we can see, it is much easier to vacuum the honeycomb mat. All your small pieces actually don't get trapped very much at all. It's quite easy to vacuum out. Whereas on your coil mat, yeah, you can see that your big pieces are still stuck. And with this more open pattern, you can simply do that and, look at it, it's pretty much already clean. Whereas with your coil mats, you can still see that there are some big chunks still stuck inside. So obviously this one's going to be a lot easier to vacuum, and because it is waterproof and completely washable, you can just bring it to the sink and wash it as well. And this will dry a lot quicker because water is not going to be trapped inside. So as we can see from this test, the honeycomb mat is going to be a lot easier to clean and a lot easier to live with. Now, the second test we're going to be doing is the slash test, and this is to test the durability of these mats. So I'm going to be slashing at the mats with a pair of scissors. This is obviously going to be a little bit of an extreme way of doing it, but this is going to be simulating long-term wear and tear. So I really slash at the mat with a pair of scissors.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Okay, well, here goes nothing. Well, you can see that it's starting to fray already. There's some gaps in the mats already. Now, onto the honeycomb one. And it's holding up really well. So there's very slight bits of fraying, but the overall integrity of the mat is still intact. So obviously this is definitely going to stand up to long-term wear and tear a lot better. Now, the third and final test is the slipping test. So these mats have gripping teeth at the back to make sure they don't move around. So how are we going to test that? Well, I'm going to drive this car a little bit quickly around some bends, and we're just going to see how the mats do, right? Do they hang in place? Do they not move at all? Are they going to move around a little bit? Now, after some quite spirited driving, I must say I'm quite impressed, right? The mats haven't moved around at all. It looks pretty much exactly in place. I don't think it's moved a millimeter at all. And that's good. That's good because my feet feel very stable. I don't feel it sliding around in any way. And I think that's to do with both the biting teeth at the back and the fact that these are custom made so they will fit your car exactly. And that is just good for driving safety. So the Cypress Matting Honeycomb Mat, is it a will buy, won't buy or go try? I think this is a will buy if you want a refresh from your standard PVC coil mat. So beyond it being nice and comfortable and looking quite nice as well, it clearly outperformed PVC coils in the 3 tests that we did. So for less than $200 for a new set, I think it is also very competitively priced in the market. Visit the link down in the description below to find out more about Cypress Matting, and you can code SGCarMart for a promotional price. So thanks for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and do remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you will be updated of all our upcoming videos. We're also on TikTok, so follow us at SGCarMart. So that's all I have for today. I'll see you soon. Bye!